Kailali is a beautiful district of Farwest, Nepal. Tikapur and Sukhad are two well-organized towns which are unheard even by most of the Nepalese. But these places have got some amazing treasure for us. Tikapur is probably the only town planned so beautifully in entire Nepal. Tikapur Park, made by the late King Mahendra and beautified by late King Birendra, has got an international standard. This place is also my hometown, where I spent most of my childhood. This visit will certainly refresh my lifetime memories of school days and an insight to you all about this must visit place in Far West. Tikapur has got this beautiful banana restaurant where you get every food made out of banana. We tried banana momos. Tikapur has also got an airport, but to our great surprise, this airport is not providing any service right now. Sukhad is another town in Kailali district where there is Ghoda Ghodi lake. This beautiful lake has got this unique tale along with its mesmerizing view, which we can see from the top. My school is Kharga Memorial English Boarding School. It's also known as Burgess School. I'll tell the detail in my full video about my school. It reminded me of my school days where I used to ride a bicycle every day going to my school. Many things have changed now, but the memories cannot be washed away. This town was originally planned by the late minister Khadak Singh. Birendra Vidya Mandir and Khadga Memorial English Boarding School. These two schools have been providing education to a lot of students since many years, and I am one of them. There are many other schools, high schools, and even colleges now. A lot of things have changed in this town, but the Karnali River flowing beside Tikapur town is still the same. If you are from Tikapur, I hope this video will certainly refresh your memories. Please wait until I make the full video. Thank you so much. See you in next video. Bye bye.